Sowing seeds. Some would say I'm pedantic, but if you've ever spent hours cleaning seed, you'll realise that I am not pedantic. First off, I cut the seed packet with scissors. I take out the inner and I put that, without touching the seed, into a clean, dry bowl. And then I use a dibber. I don't use my hands. Look, my hands are dirty and they're slightly damp, but not very, because I've brought my tray in, which has been beautifully watered, and you see it's dropped down now, so that I've got plenty of room to sow the seeds. But by using this, my homemade label divided in half, I can actually put seeds on to my dibber, and then very gently I will tap them. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I've done my single row, and the great thing is, if you get called to the telephone or you go out and you're wanting to put lots of different things into this tray, make sure you cover it immediately and label it. So I'm going to cover it with perlite. I'm going to use my same dry dibber, and I cover it nicely so that the seed is in its duvet. By using perlite, what happens is it covers the seed, it doesn't add a weight, and if it rains or you've got these growing outside, or you're watering from above, you don't drown the seeds because they don't sit in a cold sandwich of compost. And with all of us watching our heating bills now, we want a speedy spring, but we don't want to actually land up with it having soggy seedlings, because that's when they damp off. So that was Mizuna. So I'll write Mizuna on here. And I always put the date down because I find it helpful. And I'll do both ends, because if you do both ends, if one gets flicked out, you've got the other end to know what you're doing. There we are, labelled. And then the final thing is to put the seeds back into here. Now, having not touched them, not made them damp, not made them dirty, they will be good to use on another day. And there you go. Now I'm ready to sow another row. I'm often asked the question, how many times should I water these and when should I water them? The fact I've watered this tray in really well means, and with the seeds I'm going to sow today, which is chervil, celery leaf, sorrel and dill, because they all germinate at roughly the same time, I find that I will not need to water until the first row starts to germinate. And then I'll water from above with the rows on the watering can turned up. So you have light rain, rather than when you have the rows turned down, you have deluge. And that way you don't wash away the little seedlings if they've started to chitter. Good luck.